This is my first speech on this podium. So obviously my goals are to finish it anyhow and to make you laugh. Good morning to contest chair, my fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. Let me open up. Since beginning, I'm a nationalist, hardcore nationalist, because I did my engineering, which is a national degree. I did work in IT firm, which is a national career, and then I pursued my MBA, which is a national route to follow after that. So whatever I'm going to tell you, I have proof of everything. Toastmasters has always in my blood. No, that does not mean I'm an old Toastmaster. I have just recently joined. But when I look back to my past, there are instances which are very, very familiar to Toastmasters. Like, many of my love stories didn't start because of and unintentional pauses. I wish I had counters those days. And few of them were shattered and ended because I became gender evaluated for my girlfriend. And I gave them honest feedbacks. Even the feedbacks were fine enough, she may have improved, but we didn't last longer. That was one part. Thirdly, like, coming to my hobbies, I like reading books. I like to say that I like reading books, but it means sparing few Chetan Bhagats and Paul Coelho, I didn't read anything else. So it's still in my wish list and I will follow from now onwards. Coming to the games, I play cricket and chess. And to be frank, I never lose in that because I play in my beautiful device. Whenever I sense that I will get defeated, I just restart the game. That gives me a sense of satisfaction that I cannot be defeated in some way. Okay, so other personalities, coming to my eating and drinking habits, if that is allowed. Being a North Indian Brahmin, I am pure vegetarian on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Navratra and Sawan. Other than those days, I spare none. I eat everything, almost everything available. And I am complete teetotaler. I take only water, milk, coffee and beer. Yes, beer. Because I don't consider beer as an alcohol. It's a like my birthright, and beer should be like, it should be announced as a national drink of India. Would you agree with me? There is national drink or not?
Yes.
Is there a national drink? If it is not, I will vote for beer. It's not an alcohol, I can prove it. Okay. Then coming to my interpretation skills and interpersonal skills, I would like to share one short anecdote. 5 years before, I was in my college, where one of my friend was South Indian, and we used to commute only in English because I'm basically from a Hindi speaking zone. So one day he told me, Amit, I saw a jaguar on the road today. I told, what? Where? In that road here, behind our college. So, okay, so what did you do? What should I do? I just watched it. So were there any more people? Yeah, there were many people. It was a busy road. And then you should have do something. It's a beast. Well, yeah, it's a beast on the road. So what are you telling? Why did you do? Did you inform that forest department? Why should I inform that forest department? It must be belonging to some rich man. Then I told, okay. So it was with someone. It was inside the car. It was a car. And then I realized he didn't speak for 2 minutes and then just we laughed. I hope you got it. I was thinking of a jaguar, the real jaguar, and he was talking about the car. So this is my interpretation skills, which are very, very poor, to be frank. Then one instance I would like to share with you that, and now you know that I am how awesome I am. So I would like to share one of my weaknesses. I have a fear of height. And for the larger part of my life, I was knowing it as a heitophobia, which is wrong. Like, now I came to know that it's acrophobic. So, like bungee jumping, paragliding, mountaineering, these are big things actually. if the person is acrophobic, they struggle to travel on the flights also. That is the one thing, like, I never imagined that I would do paragliding, but yes, at least I need to travel. And that also I delayed till the larger part of my life, but 5 years before I took my first flight from Bangalore to Hyderabad, and I still remember the fears of it. When I entered the airport, I was seeing everything like it was designed to kill me. Then when I entered, and it was a night time, so I was already bewildered that how the pilot will see the route in the night. So what will happen to me? It's my first flight, and I somehow managed not to take the window seat. When I entered, it was a Kingfisher flight that time, and then the announcement, that was the last nail in the coffin. When the announcement was that, good evening passengers, the Kingfisher welcomes you to flight number 654. I am your pilot, Smita Bansal, and with me there is Neha Kasana. It sent spine to me because it's a Malia flight, and I don't want, like, I am not doubting on the talent of those girls, but I'm not sure they are selected on the basis of their talent. So I thought, like, I took all the Hindu god names more than last 6 months, but I somehow finished it. And then after that, I have slightly overcome of that fear. I have been flying frequently. So now you know me, right? Laugh. Okay, but one thing I would like to end my speech with, that I am constantly improving. And the proof of that is that when I see my Facebook statuses, which are 5 years before, I feel embarrassed. That is a proof that, yeah, I am improving. I was a child and I have more improved statuses. So that's why I believe that I am one of you. That's why I am the best. I am one of you. Over to the contest.